How to change the accessories of your smart robot vacuum. Make sure to give your smart robot vacuum regular maintenance to keep it working properly. In the Hombli app, you can easily see the lifespan of the replacement parts. It will also notify you when the parts are nearly ready to be replaced. The main brush is located at the bottom of the robot vacuum. First, remove the protective cover by pressing the two buckles. You can now take out the main brush and replace it with the new brush. Reinstall the protective cover. Push it until it clicks. The side brush is also located at the bottom of the robot vacuum. Simply pull the side brush to remove it. Take the new brush and push it firmly in place to install it. The mop is located under the dustbin and water tank. We advise removing and washing the mop after each use to keep it clean. Pull the dustbin out while pressing the button on the back and remove the bracket. Remove the old mop from the bracket by pulling it from the Velcro. Place the new mop around the mop holder and make sure it is evenly attached on all sides. The filter is also located in the dustbin of the robot vacuum. Open the lid on the top of the dust container and replace the filter. After replacing, you can close the lid and reinstall the dustbin. Your robot vacuum is now ready for use again.